Today I'm cooking a one-dish meal in a rice cooker, mushroom chicken rice. It's only take a short while to prepare, with very minimum effort. A perfect hassle-free dish. This recipe is for 2 servings. Let's start off with marinating 100 grams of boneless chicken, cut into cubes, with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We cut them into small cubes so they cook easily. Leave it aside. Wash 1 cup of rice. I recommend jasmine rice for best result, but any medium grain white rice works too. Wash it just once or twice will do, as the rice is quite clean already. The cloudy water is actually starch, which is the dust form when the rice is polished. I am washing the rice again as the water is still slightly cloudy. Okay, leave it aside. Continue with washing 40 grams of cubed shiitake mushroom. Today, I am using fresh mushroom for their sweetness. If using dry mushroom, soak it in lukewarm water first until soft. Alright, this should be okay. Put it aside. Now we can cook the rice. Wipe dry the water outside the rice pot, especially the bottom part. Now add in all the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, all the marinated chicken cube, and washed shiitake mushroom cube. Stir and mix well to evenly distribute the sauces and ingredients. Add 250 ml of water and stir again. Push down all the rice grains that are stuck on the side of the pot. Check the water once again, the old school way. The level should be just slightly above the finger here, or just about an inch above the rice. Alright, we are done. Put the pot inside the rice cooker. Cover the pot and press the button to cook. It takes about 20 minutes to finish. After about 15 minutes, open the cover. The water is starting to dry up. Most of the ingredients tend to float, so they are on the top. Stir gently to push the chicken and mushroom down for even cooking. Cover the pot and continue until it is cooked. After 5 minutes, the rice is fully cooked. Open the cover. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of cut red chilli, 2 tablespoons of mixed vegetable, 1 tablespoon of onion oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots. By the way, you can find the easy recipe for onion oil and fried shallot in the See More link, and half tablespoon of cut spring onion. Cover and set the rice cooker to keep warm for minimum of 15 minutes. This cooks the vegetable from the residual heat from the rice. After about 20 minutes, let's check on the rice. See, the vegetables are soft and cooked. Stir to combine the rice and all vegetables, and it is ready to be served. Optionally, garnish with crispy fried shallots and spring onions. Let's eat! Wow, so flavorful and sweet. The chicken and mushroom are soft and tender, and the rice is fluffy. It can even be prepared in the morning for a quick and easy lunch or satisfying dinner. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!